Hey all, I'm just checking out from Hosteller Kasol and just a small view of the pathway and the place of Hosteller in Kasol. So this is where you need to come to a small patch of walking area. It's almost a small trek, and here you go. And that is Kasol, Hostel Kasol. Just take you. I'm just walking through the path, and there's a water stream running here, nice and clean, and also a small waterfall for all of us to. Oh, there, see. There's a small bridge here you need to cross. There's Waterfall. And you need to climb this piece of stones which they have kept on the stairs. Should be a little careful. See, it's the path which we just came. Now walking towards the hostel. It's colored in bright yellow and looks good. The rooms and dorms are quite clean. And here is where they do the campfire. They can only have a campfire if there is no rain. This is the cafeteria. They call it the Hoggers Cafe. Show it to you. This is nice, and they make they do make good food over here, and they accept PTM and also your credit cards. And here is the dog. Watchdog called Captain.
Yo, bro.
Hello, man.
What's up, bro?
See, here is my
Capture आना
friend.
चाहिए, वाला आना चाहिए.
Yeah, फिर से करो. This is my friend Kamal, and he's been here from past 1 month and
1 day.
1 day, 1 month, 1 day.
Turn in, turn on, drop out. Motivation, bro.
Cool. So he's going to come back with his bike,
Continental.
Continental GT, and this is the reception area. This is the guy who helps us a lot, and Vipin sits here, who makes sure guests are all okay. And I'll show my dorm. Before that, look at this view. And I was staying in 102. And oops, sorry. See, this is one of the Hosteller staff who is helping me with carrying the heavy luggage from the top till the main road. And one thing is good over here is the staff is extremely helpful and comes forward for your help whenever there is a need. And they also have a good cafe where they make good food. I think you guys should try that out.
This is the main bridge in Kasol, right by the market area. It's a busy spot where buses arrive and leave, connecting Kasol to other places. Walking here, you can't miss the sound of the Parvati River flowing below. It's calming and powerful at the same time. The Parvati River flows with so much energy, surrounded by green valleys and tall mountains. It's a sight that makes you stop and take it all in. From here, you can see Kasol town. It's simple and peaceful, with a charm that makes you want to stay longer and come back again. But there's something that shouldn't be here: the trash under the bridge. It's sad to see this in a place so beautiful. We all love visiting places like this, but it's important to take care of them too. Let's not leave any trash behind and do our part to keep places like Kasol clean and beautiful. And now, as we leave Kasol and head back to Delhi, the peaceful vibe of this place stays with us. Kasol isn't just a destination, it's a feeling that makes you want to come back again and again.